4.1 Millie Galloway. Scenario 3. In Scenario 3, the client has done a medical questionnaire, but the answers are vague and the answers look too perfect, as if they've been made to look like the way the researcher would ideally want them to look, but not actually realistic. This is an issue because it means the researchers are not fully informed of the things that may affect the participants during the experiment, or possibly push them to the point that they are at risk. If the researcher questioned the validity of the results, then they should have given the participant a subject disclaimer. Subject disclaimer is where the participant states that everything they said in the medical questionnaire is true, and that the researcher cannot be found liable. The experiment is about the effect of energy drinks on performance of athletes. However, only some performers have been given energy drinks and some have been given fruit juice. Omission has occurred here as the athletes were not told if they had the energy drinks or not. Omission is a form of deception. It is where the researcher leaves out information, whereas commission is where the researcher lies about the experiment, so this one is only omission. The participants were told to take part in this experiment, not asked. Therefore, it comes into question the likelihood that the participants were actually volunteers who said they were happy to do this experiment. The athletes were not aware that only some were receiving energy drinks, but they were debriefed at the end. Debriefing is when at the end of an experiment, the athletes that are told whether they had the energy drink or not, and they explain the experiment and exactly what things happened. The experiment was also not disclosed to the ethics committee or received any ethical clearance, and the experiment could be cleared with everything being okay, minor adjustments, major adjustments, or simply not accepted at all. At the last minute, one of the scientists said that they wanted to give the participant extra caffeine to see if it had an effect, even though they had no idea the risks that occur, and this had not been passed through the ethics committee. This would be scientific misconduct, as the participants are no longer being put first. This could lead to the termination of their BASES accreditation. BASES accreditation, like I spoke about before, is something you earn. You are given it by BASES, British Association of Sport and Exercise Science. That makes you a more reliable researcher. To lose this can cause you to lose your job, and it may be part of your job requirement to be BASES accredited. For the experiment, the researcher did do a risk assessment. However, this is very vague with only 2 hazards highlighted, although they have spoken about relevant hazards. For example, the slippery fall is very relevant, and the allergic reaction due to the fact that they are consuming things. However, the fact that there are 2 threes and the risk rating is 3, this could be lowered. How could the likelihood of slippery fall be lowered would be to not participate when it is raining. An allergic reaction would be to reduce the severity, which is to make sure that no one could be allergic to anything in the energy drinks.